Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Yes, so the last topic was pronouns, which we had done in our last lecture, and we will continue with pronouns today also. So let's revise what is pronouns. Yes, can you tell me what is pronouns? Anybody? I can see many hands up. Okay, so who's going to answer? Okay, you are going to answer and I am going to listen, okay? What is pronouns? Yes. Pronouns are words used in place of noun. Right. Very good. So, pronouns are words used in place of noun. When we have to repeat the noun many times, we replace it with pronouns. Okay. For example, Meena is a good girl. Meena loves dancing. Meena is good in drawing. Now when we have, see, you can see that I am repeating the word Meena again and again. Meena is a noun, and when a noun is repeated again and again, we replace it with a pronoun, right? And I think pronouns are very clear to you now. And there are how many types of pronouns? 4 types of pronouns. So pronouns are divided into 4 types. First is personal. Personal pronoun. That means pronouns used for person, like I, me, you, he, she, it, they. All these are personal pronouns. The second type of pronoun is interrogative. Interrogative. Now, interrogative you have already learned. The word interrogative you have already learned, and interrogate means to ask, and there are pronouns also which ask you a question, and those are known as interrogative pronouns. Right? For example, now tell me some interrogative pronouns. Can you give me some interrogative pronouns? Yes. What is your name? Who are you? Whom are you talking of? Whose book is this? So these are known as interrogative pronouns. What? Who? Whose? Whom? So these are the words which are asked as questions. So these are known as interrogative pronouns. Now we come to the third type of pronoun, that is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns. Now what are demonstrative pronouns? Demonstrative pronouns are the words that point करके बताते हैं, this is that boy I am talking about, that is the girl, this, that, these, those. So this, that, these, those. Right? So they point out, इशारा करते हैं हमें बताते हैं about the noun. So that is why these are known as demonstrative pronouns. And the last one is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns means that मैंने खुद अपना काम कर लिया. खुद, मैं किसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ? मेरे बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, और मैंने खुद अपना काम कर लिया. खुद क्या हुआ? Reflexive pronoun. I did my work myself. So I की जगह हमारा क्या बन गया? Myself. She did her work herself, उसने खुद अपना काम पूरा किया. तो she था तो herself, she herself. We ourselves. We'll continue later on when we'll write in detail about reflexive pronouns. So this is how, जो काम आप खुद कर लेते हो, that means वो रिफ्लेक्स होके वापस आता है. रिफ्लेक्स मीन्स वापस, आप मिरर में देखते हो तो आपकी इमेज वापस आपको दिखाई देती है. इन द सेम वे ये रिफ्लेक्स करता है कि वो काम किसने किया. अगर मैं वो काम कर रही हूँ तो I did the work myself. ओके, सो दिस माई सेल्फ इज अ रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन, और वो ये बताता है कि करने वाला व्यक्ति कौन है, खुद है. राइट, सो दीज आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोनाउंस. फर्स्ट वन इज पर्सनल प्रोनाउन विच वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस and demonstrative and reflexive. Okay, so you can open up your copies and let's continue with interrogative pronouns. Okay, so write down interrogative pronouns. Now the first thing that we are going to write down is the definition. This you are going to write in highlighting. Either you can write it with color pencil, or you underline it, or you highlight it with a crayon, so that the moment you open your copy you can see, yes, this is where my ma'am taught me interrogative pronouns. Right, so what are interrogative pronouns? Pronouns used for asking questions. Pronouns used for asking questions are called interrogative pronouns. Right. So, what are interrogative pronouns? Pronouns used for asking question. Yes, repeat after me. Pronouns used for asking questions are called interrogative pronouns. You can give some examples. For example, yes, who? WHO, who? कौन? Whom? किसको? Whose? किसका? Who? कौन? Whom? किसको? Whose? किसका? What? क्या? What? क्या? These are the words that stand in place of noun. Okay? So, hope you all are writing and completing your work along with me. Okay? I am giving you some time to continue your work. Let's continue. Yes. Hope your work is complete. Let's continue with an exercise on this topic. Yes, you can write down exercise. Okay. Now fill in with interrogative pronoun. Fill in with interrogative pronoun. Number 1. Dash. Always the dash will be in the starting because interrogative pronouns are asking question and question words also come first. Always come first, right? So, dash invented computers. Yes. Dash invented computers. Now, I had given you the words. Have a look on the words. We had written down who, whom, whose, what. What मतलब क्या? तो नहीं आएगा. Whose किसका? नहीं आएगा. Whom किसको? No. Then the last is left. Who? किसने कंप्यूटर इन्वेंट किया? Who? कौन? So my answer will be who invented computers. Next. Dash is a problem with you. Dash is the problem with you. Yes, dash is the problem with you. I am asking a question. तो ये तो सब पर्सन को यूज होते हैं. Who, whose, whom. Left is क्या? तुम्हारे साथ क्या प्रॉब्लम है? So my answer will be what is the problem with you, right? Moving on to sentence number 3. Dash of these books is yours. Dash of these books is yours. Right? Which of these books is yours? आप इसमें से कौन सी कॉपी आपकी है? कौन सी बुक आपकी है? So my answer is which कौन सी? Right? Dash are these pens. Dash whose are these pen? किसके पेन हैं ये? यहाँ पड़े हैं. Right? Complete these sentences which are written on the board. do you want to meet? Dash do you want to meet? आप किससे मिलना चाहते हो? Yes, whom, right? WHOM. Whom do you want to meet? Next. Dash is your aunt's house. आपकी आंटी का घर कौन सा है? कौन सा? Which is your aunt's house? Which is your aunt's house? Next. Dash is the news. News क्या है? क्या? What? What is the news? Dash broke the table. टेबल किसने तोड़ी? Who broke the table? Who? Dash of them is the most intelligent. Dash of them is the most intelligent. Yes? Think about the answer. Who of them is the most intelligent? उनमें से कौन intelligent है? Who of them is the most intelligent? Whose is this textbook? Dash is this textbook. ये textbook किसकी है? Whose is this textbook? Right? So this is how interrogative pronouns are asking you about the noun. They are used in place of a noun. Right? So complete your work. After this we'll carry on with demonstrative pronouns. Yes, hope you all have completed the work. Let's continue with demonstrative pronouns. Next is demonstrative pronoun. The spelling demonstrative is very big and it is very simple. Now first learn the spelling of demonstrative. De, D-E, demon, M-O-N, mon, S, demons, demonstrate, T-R-A, trade, T-I-V-E, demonstrative. Right? So it's not that hard, children. You must not get scared of big spellings. They are very easy to learn, but only thing you have to break it listening to the sound. According to the sound, when you break the spelling, it becomes very easy. Now day, D-E day, mon, M-O-N mon, S, demonstrate, T-R-A tray, T-I-V-E tape, right? So this is how you have to learn. First learn the spelling and then write down the definition, okay? Next, moving on to definition. Now definition, D-E day, F-I fee, N-A nation, T-I-U-N shan. Definition, it becomes very easy for you to write without committing spelling mistakes. We avoid committing spelling mistakes because when you become conscious and you hear the sound and you write down, it is very, very easy, right? So now, yes, when, jab, this, that, these, those are used in place of noun they are called demonstrative pronouns. Right? So, what is my definition? Very simple. When, jab, this, that, these, those, this, ये, that, वो, जब plural होगा, when we are talking about plural, बहुत सारी books यहाँ मेरे table पे रखी हैं, these books, बहुत सारी books दूसरी table पे रखी हैं, those books are used in place of noun, they are called demonstrative pronouns, right? After this, be ready, we are going to do an exercise. So complete your work. Underline the demonstrative pronoun. Underline the demonstrative pronoun. Underline the demonstrative pronoun, right? Complete your work. I am waiting for you to complete. Actually, you must write along with me only. Your work will be complete as soon as I complete my work. But still, all those who are writing a little slow, I am waiting for you. So, what is demonstrative pronoun? Words that are used like this, that, these, those in place of noun are called demonstrative pronouns, right? So the three types of pronouns we have already learnt is personal pronouns, interrogative pronouns and demonstrative pronouns. So now after this we are going to do an exercise on demonstrative pronouns. Here you have to underline the demonstrative pronoun. So to underline the demonstrative pronoun, you have to only remember there are four words. This, that, these, those. Finish. So hope you have completed your work. Can we move on to the exercise? Yes? Okay. begin with sentence number 1. Right? This is my book. Now what you have to underline? You have to underline the demonstrative pronoun this. This is my book. ये मेरी book है. In place of noun I am using this. These are my friends. You have many friends and you are standing on the road and suddenly I come to meet you and there what I see is you are standing with your many friends and you are going to introduce me that. I'll ask you who are these? So you are going to tell me these are my friends. ये सारे मेरे friends हैं, right? Next. What is this? What is this? ये क्या है? This. Next, these are not good shirts. Yes, these are not good shirts. So what is my demonstrative pronoun? These. Next, those boys are naughty. वो बहुत शरारती बच्चे हैं. Those. What month is this? This. These are my copies. These are my copies and those are yours. ये मेरी कॉपी है और वो आपकी कॉपी है. राइट? कंप्लीट. Yes, so you all might have completed your work. Let's move on with the sentence number 9. Both books are good. Both books are good, but this is better than that. But this is better than that. So that, this. Okay? In a sentence you may get two demonstrative pronouns also. It matters on the sentence. And the last sentence is sentence number 10. What was that? वो क्या था? Here we wind up with demonstrative pronouns and we move on to reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns, okay? Now for reflexive pronouns, first you understand the reflexive pronoun with a sentence like we whitewashed the wall our self. Ourselves. Now, whitewashed is a verb. किसने करा? हमने करा. We क्या हो गया? Subject. We have learned about subject and predicate. Yes. The remaining part of the sentence is the predicate. We कौन है? Subject. अब we whitewashed यानी पुताई करना. हमने पुताई अपने आप की. हमने खुद ने पुताई कर ली, राइट? सो वी, ये जो ourself है, ये क्या बन गया? ऑब्जेक्ट. यस. और ये ऑब्जेक्ट किसके बारे में बात कर रहा है? सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बात कर रहा है. जब सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट एक दूसरे के रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस, राइट? होप नाउ इट इज वेरी क्लियर. लेट्स राइट डाउन द डेफिनेशन ऑफ इट. Definition. Pronouns which refer back to the same person, animal or thing as does the subject जैसा सब्जेक्ट करता है उसी को रेफर करना. एज डज द सब्जेक्ट मतलब एज द सब्जेक्ट डज आर कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्सिव pronouns. Right? Okay, so complete this and I will show you how the words are changed. Okay, after this we'll make a chart. Okay, now you make a chart of how the words change. See, I will become myself. He, himself. See, I have no place left. You can continue down only. I am writing it here. Okay. She, herself. It, itself. We, ourselves. You, yourself. They, themselves. Right? When we talk about plural, it becomes selves. Right? So hope your work is complete. Okay, moving further. Now, singular forms. Now here there are two types of forms, singular forms and plural forms. So first one is singular forms are, जब हम अकेले की बात करते हैं, सिंगल पर्सन की बात करते हैं तो उसको बोलते हैं सिंगुलर फॉर्म, और जब हम प्लूरल लोगों की बात करते हैं तो वो बोलते हैं प्लूरल फॉर्म. राइट? तो सिंगुलर फॉर्म्स कौन से हैं? आई, मैं अकेले अपने बारे में बात कर रही हूँ तो इट बिकम्स माई सेल्फ. ही, वो अपने अकेले के बारे में बात कर रहा है तो क्या बन जाएगा? हिम सेल्फ. शी, हर सेल्फ. It, itself. And you, yourself. Right? But when we come to plural, next one is plural forms आ, जब हम प्लूरल के बारे में बात, हम सभी, बहुत सारे लोग, तो क्या बन जाता है? आवर सेल्व्स। तुम सभी, योर सेल्व्स। VES लग जाता है, F के VES लग जाता है, और them selves. Right? After this we'll start with the exercise. Fill in with reflexive pronoun. Right? Number 1. I wrote the article. I wrote the आर्टिकल आई। देखो यहां से मालूम पड़ता है कि हमारा आंसर में क्या आएगा। आई के लिए हमने क्या लिखा था? माई सेल्फ। राइट, तो मेरे आंसर में आ जाएगा माई सेल्फ। हु रोट द आर्टिकल? आई रोट द आर्टिकल माई सेल्फ। मैंने खुद आर्टिकल को लिखा है। राइट, इन द सेम वे नेक्स्ट, we often hurt, we often hurt, अब we, हम अक्सर अपने आप को चोट पहुंचाते हैं। तो we कौन है? हम यानी बहुत सारे लोग हैं। तो हम का क्या बन जाएगा? our selves। राइट, our selves। ओके, are you all writing? Hope this is very clear. Reflexive pronouns are very easy. Only think you have to look at the subject and you have to change the object, right? Shall I raise the top part? Yes? Okay. Next, number 3. The children. The children. हिड यानी छुपे। बच्चे, हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? बच्चों की। तो बच्चों में हमारा क्या आएगा? वी नहीं आएगा, यू नहीं आएगा, तो क्या बचा? themselves। उनने खुद छुप गए कहीं जाके। सो माय आंसर विल बी themselves। राइट, नाउ नंबर 4। You will hurt, you will hurt, you will hurt dash yourself, yourself। Next, he introduced dash, he himself। उसने खुद का परिचय दिया। finished up with 4 types of pronouns. Okay. So my topic over here is ending, right? Done? Okay, so let's revise the chapter once again. What we have done in the chapter. In this chapter, we learnt about pronouns, right? So, we learnt about pronouns. What are pronouns? Pronouns are words used in place of noun. जो noun की जगह पे यूज होते हैं words, उनको pronoun बोलते हैं. जब noun बार बार repeat होता है तो उनको बोलते हैं, उनकी जगह पे जो words use होते हैं, that is known as pronoun. Now, how many types of pronouns are there? There are 4 types of pronouns. Personal pronoun, then interrogative pronoun, then demonstrative pronoun, and the last one is reflexive pronoun. Personal pronoun, when you are talking about person. Personal pronoun में क्या आ गया? I, me, he, she, it, you, we, they, mine. All these are personal pronouns. A personal pronoun के अंदर first person, second person, third person, as if 3 people होते हैं, right? Now interrogative pronoun, who, what, whose, whom, which. Right. These words ask question related to noun. So that is why these are known as interrogative pronouns. Who यानी कौन, what क्या, whose किसका, whom किसको, which कौन सा. Right. After this we had learnt about demonstrative pronouns. Now demonstrative pronouns, this, that, these, those, and the last one is reflexive. So that I have made a chart and I gave it to you. So I will become myself, you will become yourself, he will become herself, he will become himself, she will become herself, we will become ourselves, you will become yourself, and they will become themselves. Here also there are singular form and plural form. In the singular form, I, he, she, it. These 4 come in singular form, we, you, they. These 3 come in plural form, right? So this is all about pronouns. Hope the topic is very clear. Soon I will be giving you worksheets and you can go through the Pansy book, exercises and revise the exercises, do the exercises, and wish you all good luck. Meet you in the next lecture. And children, don't forget studying. Keep on studying because our next term has already started. You have finished your half yearly. The festival time is coming. Be safe. Don't burst too much crackers. Be safe. Don't play with fire. Okay? Bye-bye. Have a good day.